This is a pretty strong coconut. Welcome and good morning to a stormy day in paradise. So I'm actually having to vlog on my phone because I got this wet and it no longer works. So I'm sorry if the quality of this video isn't going to be that great, but I'm here for another 2 days, well, today and tomorrow, so it's going to be a little bit before I can get this replaced. So at least my phone is slightly waterproof. Oh boy, it's raining a lot. We braved the weather and got ourselves a rum coconut, and then we got the hell out of there and into the dry. So we're back at the place now, but check this out. Got this massive coconut with lots of rum in it. This is a pretty strong coconut. And this is boring. I'm sorry, guys. Not much you can do when it's pouring out and you're on an island. All right, well, I've managed to clean the kitchen and, ooh, a cat. I just saw her run by in the background. Oh. Yeah, so the weather hasn't improved. It's still really nasty out. It's not pouring though, so that's okay. I've made myself a mimosa, and so now we're just gonna relax and enjoy doing something that I can really never do at home, which is nothing. So it's not all bad.
In the evening.
Dance, pretend, because I'm going to put music behind it when I edit, so pretend. There you go.
Just when you spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now. You wanna stay with me now.
Guess what, guys? It's raining again, or still, whatever you want to say. But it's also time for dinner, so we're venturing out to try some more of the local island flavors.
My friends watching.
Alright, well, dinner was delicious. It's still drizzling, but it's also the end of the day, so I think we're gonna call it here for today, and fingers crossed for better weather tomorrow. Until then. Until then. Good morning to another not as gloomy, but gloomy day in paradise. So, it's not raining, which is fabulous. But at the same time, it's also not sunny. The water's still pretty though. I've decided to just come down to the beach, have a little walk around, and take some photos, which I absolutely love doing. I found this shipwreck, and what's really interesting actually is because I've been on this island. I was here about 12 years ago, I think, and this was like right, I think this was a road right here. All of this was a road, and it's just washed away. But I remember that. And a simple simple rule of exploring is if you see garbage or trash, pick it up. It's the rules I like to live by. Oh no, it's starting to rain. Oh boy, I have to go. Sun never did come out. And now, all packed up and ready to go. So that concludes our weekend in the Bahamas, which was without sunshine and lots of rain. But hey, as I said, you know, there's a silver lining everywhere, right? So anyways, so next we will just catch the boat back, and then that is all. So until next time, be good to one another, be good to our planet, and keep adventuring.